The U.S. has intercepted a second merchant vessel near Venezuela, following a blockade on sanctioned oil tankers. This move underscores the escalating tensions between the U.S. and Venezuela, as the blockade aims to curb the flow of oil from the South American nation. The interception is part of a broader strategy to enforce sanctions and exert pressure on Venezuela's government, reflecting a significant geopolitical maneuver in the region. Meanwhile, Jordan's Air Force has joined U.S.-led strikes on Islamic State targets in Syria. This military action is a direct response to the killing of 3 U.S. citizens by a Syrian gunman, marking a notable escalation in regional military activities. The collaboration between Jordan and the U.S. highlights the ongoing international efforts to combat terrorism and stabilize the region, showcasing the strategic military alliances in play. In Eastern Europe, Ukraine has targeted Russian oil tankers in an effort to disrupt Moscow's war financing. This expansion of the conflict into maritime domains represents a strategic move by Ukraine to weaken Russia's economic capabilities. The attacks on these tankers are part of a broader strategy to apply pressure on Russia, aiming to impact its military funding and operations. The U.S. and Venezuela are also engaging in electronic warfare, jamming GPS signals in the Caribbean. This development poses significant flight hazards and reflects the heightened military tensions in the region. The electronic warfare tactics are indicative of the complex geopolitical landscape, where technological capabilities are increasingly being leveraged in strategic conflicts. Turning to the markets, Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS, has received an Overweight rating from KeyBanc. This recognition highlights Kratos' innovation in unmanned systems and its strategic role in hypersonics. The company's rapid, low-cost innovation and first-to-market positions in these technologies have positioned it as a key player in the defense sector, driving its stock price up by 5.59% to $75.39. Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, is experiencing strong growth momentum, with its stock rising by 4.14% to $193.38. The shift in modern warfare towards advanced technologies has turned Palantir into a growth stock, as its data analytics capabilities are increasingly in demand. This trend underscores the importance of tech-driven approaches in the defense industry, positioning Palantir as a leader in the sector. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, saw its stock increase by 5.34% to $243.01, benefiting from the broader sector growth. As the defense market shifts towards advanced technologies, AeroVironment's focus on unmanned aerial systems positions it well to capitalize on these trends. The company's innovative solutions are driving investor interest and supporting its upward trajectory in the market. Amphenol Corporation, ticker symbol APH, also experienced a notable rise, with its stock climbing 4.38% to $135.29. The company's strong performance is tied to the overall sector wave, as demand for advanced electronic components in defense applications continues to grow. Amphenol's strategic positioning in the market is enhancing its growth prospects, making it a stock to watch. Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, continues to demonstrate stable growth in the defense sector, with its stock up by 0.85% to $474.13. As a major player in the industry, Lockheed Martin benefits from ongoing defense spending and strategic operations. The company's robust portfolio and consistent performance make it a cornerstone in defense investments. For investors, today's actionable takeaways: 1. Kratos' innovation in unmanned systems presents a growth opportunity. 2. Palantir's tech-driven approach positions it as a sector leader. 3. Monitor AeroVironment for gains in unmanned aerial systems.